They talk of Columbus sailing across the Atlantic Sea. But he never tried to go railing from Ennis as far as Kilkee. You'll rush for the train in the morning. The train is to leave sharp at 8. You're there when the clock gives its warning, and there for an hour you'll wait. And as you wait there on the train, you'll hear the guards give this refrain. Well, are you right there, Michael, are you right? Do you think you'll have us there before it's night? Well, 'tis hard to say for certain, sure we got so let us startin', but we might, no Michael, sure we might. Are you right there, Michael, are you right? Do you think you'll have us there before it's night? 'Tis hard to say for certain, sure we got so late a startin', but we might, no Michael, sure we might. Well, they find where the engine's been hiding, and that drags us to Sweet Corofin. Says the guard, back her into the side and sure there's goods from Kilrush coming in. Perhaps they get here in an hour, perhaps they get lost on the way. If they do, says the guards, be the power, sure we're stuck for the rest of the day. As a kid, when we would be coming to Kilkee, there would be my mom and dad, 6 of us, the kids, couple of dogs, couple of cats on our way to Kilkee in the Volkswagen station wagon in the 1960s. And we always sang, "Are you right there, Michael, are you right?" as we came into Kilkee. It was like one of the big joys of our summer every year. But the way I look at it is that they're really simple stories, and they're told extremely well. And it's just like very good poetry. He has taken a village life in Ireland and he's shortened it into 12 lines. And you know exactly who the characters are when you're listening to the song, you know. It's as clever as anything that that Shakespeare wrote. You know, it's brilliant. They're not going to be forgotten. I wished that I'd been alive at a time to know him. Quite an amazing talent, you know. Kilkee, you'll never get near it. You're in luck if the train brings you back. Sure, the way of that engine's so queer, it spends half of its days off its track. Uphill the old engine is climbing, with the passengers pushing until they're in luck when they reach Ennistimon, for all the way home is downhill. And as you jump back on the train, you'll hear the guard give this refrain. Well, are you right there, Michael, are you right? Do you think you'll have us home before it's night? It all depends on whether the old engine holds together, but it might, no Mike, sure it might. Are you right there, Michael, are you right? Do you think you'll have us home before it's night? Well, it all depends on whether the old engine holds together, but it might, no Michael, sure it might. Are you right there, Michael?
Yeah, boy.